My name is Readiness. I was part of the team that went to Aloysius and Better Wine. And from yesterday's visit, I had two takeaways. One from Mr. Bujingo, the MD of Aloysius. He told us as you go into business, as you plan to start up a business, make sure you have the vision and you streamline the vision so that that vision will exist beyond you, the founder. It's one of the things he told us. So as you go into the business, plan ahead. How will you live your business? Will it survive for the next 10 years when you are not there? And also he said, as a top manager or you are in management, make sure you are marketing the products of the company, not yourself. Because we realize these days, most MDs and people in business, they market themselves than the company or the product they are selling. From Bella Wine, what I got there was you can start more small, and sometimes you have to appreciate that your immediate customers or your immediate friends may not celebrate what you're producing, but you can be celebrated somewhere else. So that's what I learned from the lady. Thank you.